So you can see in the diagram carefully that now I am going to calculate the step number 3. In step number 3 we are going to calculate, as you know, by using the slope formula. So by using slope formula I am going to get the particular thing is, that is the a1 plus a2 is equal to 0. Already we did that. So we have to compare here area 1 and area 2. Area 2 already for this, as you all know that bending moment came negative for this, so area 2 will be negative. So I can write here a1 minus a2 is equal to 0, that you already we did. A2 calculation is very easy because it is a trapezoidal, we know the trapezoidal, but A1 calculation is little bit difficult. So let us solve this out. So A1 I will get here MA plus MB, last time already we did, divided by 2 into, this is L, that is L, if I am going to take it is in another direction, is equal to A1 I have took in that direction, this is minus, this will be also become minus, minus will cancel, A1, this will be the A1. So now I am going to be write this AB MA plus MB is equal to 2 by L A1. So this is the thing I am going to get from here. Now my dear friends, what we are going to be doing is that we have to calculate area 1. But you see area 1 up to here, this is the triangle. Here also it is a triangle. But in middle this is this figure, I can't calculate the area for this figure. So how we will calculate area for this figure? So I will do it by figure by figure. So A1, let us keep this value like this only, and I will calculate my area 1. So how I will calculate? I will take 3 figures. First figure is this, second is this, and third is this. Then I can calculate like this. So let us first take my first figure like this. So my first figure is like this. In my first figure, what is this particular? This is height 4000 and this is 2 meter. So from here it is very easy to calculate my area. So how I will calculate? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into base is 2 into height 400. So my figure 1 calculated. Now let us calculate for figure 2. So let us take this figure 2. So what is this figure 2 is? This is the 4 meter. This is the 4800. So how I will calculate? 1 by 2 into 4800 into 4. This is the my second figure diagram. So I can say it as a 8. At the last I will plus this, or I will, you can say this, at the last I will plus this and I will get all. So this is how much? A1 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Now I calculated, this is my area 3, or this is my figure 2, whatever you want to take it, area 2 or 3. So I got this 2 values. Now my third, that is the very important one, my third figure is this. For this I have complication. So how I will calculate for this as well? So let us see. So what is my third figure is? So my third figure is something like this. You can see that my third figure is something like this. Getting my point? This is my figure. Getting my point? I need to calculate this area. For this area I should know what is the moment value. This 400 came here, but this is not. What is this top max value? What is the max value? So I don't know that value. So for that what I need to do is that I need to calculate the moment. For that I need to make the moment equation. So how I will make the moment equation? So I will take some point here x. That is my moment equation. And I will take one stirrup, one small element stirrup, that is that having width dx. So this stirrup having the width dx, and this stirrup dx is somewhere here. So for example, this stirrup is somewhere here, dx. So this stirrup is dx. Now I will calculate my movement for this stirrup. So before calculating movement, I should know what is the distance. So for for here to here my distance is x. Am I right? And from here to here, what is my distance from here to here? So this total distance is 2. So what can I write from here? X minus 2. So my this distance is how much? X minus 2. Am I right? Now let us make the moment equation. So what is the moment equation will become for this? For this moment equation, my moment equation will become at x distance. How much this equation will become? This is R1 into x, and this is downward load, so minus of 1600 into what is the distance? The distance is this. The distance is this. So what is this distance? X minus 2, and this is UDL. So where it is acting? It is acting half of the distance. So x by 2 divided by 2. Am I right? So what this equation will become now? X is equal to R1. R1 value is already, I know how much? 2000. 2000 of x minus 1600 x minus 2 ka whole square divided by 2. This is my mx value. This is my maximum mx. So my maximum mx now came, my height. My height came this. What is this height value came? This. Now my dear friends, I need to calculate the area. So how to calculate the area? So you all know how to calculate the area. So we have considered the small stirrup, that width is dx, width is dx. So how to calculate the area? Mx into dx. Get in mind? Because this small stirrup is as like a rectangle, because it is very small. So what is the rectangle area? Mx into dx. This is for small element. This is for small element. For big element, what I need to do? I need to integrate this equation. So let us calculate the area. So how I will calculate the area? Integration of mx into dx. Integration I am doing, but what is the limit? From where to where? Where value? This is the figure. This is the figure. So what is this value up to here? So what is my distance for this? For this my distance is 2 to 4. What is my limit is 2 to 4. So what I will put my limit? 2 to 4. So what is my area is going to come from here? Area is equal to integration of 2 to 4. Mx value I will put 2000 x minus 1600 x minus 2 ka square divided by 2. My dear friends, you can see that now this into this dx. So into dx. Now I will solve this particular equation. Then what I am going to get, let us see. And if I am going to solve this equation, what I am going to get is, after solving this equation, I can write here a is equal to, this is the 2x. First I will do integration. So all of you know how to do an integration. So what will be the integration? 2000 x square divided by 2. This 2 will be cancel out this whole things, and this is 1600 already divided by 2. This will be make your 800. So directly I will write, this will be cancel out, this will be 800. So 800, and this will be x minus 2 ka cube divided by 3. This is, and my limit is 2 to 4. If I will simplify this thing, then what I am going to get? From here I am going to get 1000. Put my limit, upper limit minus lower limit. So 4 ka square minus 2 ka square, and from here 800, and this is x ki value I will put here. So what I am going to get from here is, let us see. So what I am going to get from here is x x is 4, upper limit 4 की cube minus 2 का cube and minus of lower limit. So lower limit is 2 का cube minus 2 का cube. Sorry, this is cube. So what I am going to get from here? My dear friends, you understood this step. What I did in this step? I kept lower limit minus upper limit. So first I kept upper limit, that is the 4 minus 2 का cube. This is 4 cube minus 2 का cube. Then I kept over here this is 2 का cube minus again this is lower limit 2 का cube. So from here I can simplify my equation. If I will simplify my equation, what I am going to get is, if I will simplify this equation, what I am going to get after simplification? So you can simplify this equation, you will get some value. So I hope, what is the value I am going to get from here? Okay. So what value I am going to get from here? This is the 1000 and this is 16 minus 4 minus 800 and this is divided by 3 and this is 16 into 3. I didn't brought my calculator. So you can solve this out. I will write directly the result. 16 this is 16 into 16, this is going to be 4 ka cube minus this is 2 ka cube minus of 2 ka cube minus of 2 ka cube divided by 3. You simplify this and what is your value is coming, you just keep that value. I will solve the next step as well. So what is my next step? Now I got my area value as well. So what I did last time is, I got MA plus MB. MB is equal to how much? 2 by L into AS. So into A. So what is A1 value I got? A1 plus A2 plus A3. This is the value I got, A1 value. So what is the A1? A1 is the triangle 1. So triangle 1 by 2 into, what is the triangle 1 value came? 1 by 2 into height. Height is 4000 into length. Length is 2 plus, this is the triangle 2, 1 by 2 into 4 into 4800 plus I got this particular part as well. What is the value I got for this particular part? 1000 into 16 minus 4 minus 800 4 की power 3 minus 2 की power 3. This is minus of 2 की power 3 minus of 2 की power 3 divided by 3. And if I will simplify this equation, then I am going to get MA plus MB. MA plus MB is equal to how much? So I am going to get from here MA plus MB is equal to 5800 866.67. This is my equation number 1. I hope you will also get the result. If you are getting the wrong this value, then you just tell me, we will see. So I hope you understood how I calculated this term, right? Similarly, we will calculate for the step number 2, for equation number 2.